What's up guys, I'm Akila, and in today's video I'm going to do something a little different. Today I want you guys to meet my little sister. Okay guys, this is my little sister Tammy.
Hey you guys.
We have a 7-year age difference, but we're still close.
Yeah, I'm 19 and she's
26.
Yeah,
I think we have a close relationship for such a huge gap.
Yeah, we do.
Period. In today's video, we're gonna do something a little different. I told you I was gonna let you do my makeup, right?
Yeah.
But she's gonna do my makeup, but I want her to recreate like a Tamy original. Okay?
This one, I can recreate this.
I want you to do my makeup how you would do your makeup.
Okay.
Okay,
I can try to do that. Alright. This is primer?
Why are you so rough?
I can't see.
This how you rub your own face?
Yeah, worse. I'm aggressive on myself.
I'm gonna regret this.
I'm gonna start with the eyebrows. She ain't got none.
You shouldn't be talking.
I got some right now though. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it's cool.
Okay, I decided that while we're recording this video, we're gonna try to do a sister tag, but not really a sister tag because some of these questions are dumb. So I'm gonna ask some. What is your funniest memory together?
We have a lot.
I think we have a lot because
yeah, we always singing.
We grew up together.
Yeah, we always messing with Andrew.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
What is something that you like to do with me?
Anything I gotta do with clothes. I like to call you when I'm trying on outfits, or go to the mall with you so you can tell me which outfits are cute. I also like to watch TV. You never want to watch TV with me.
Girl.
Okay, this is not working. Oh my god. I could barely do my own eyebrows.
What is something weird that I like to eat?
That you like to eat?
Like, what is weird?
I don't know, because I pretty much eat the same things you eat. I don't know. I mean, I guess some of the island dishes we eat is kind of weird.
When I think about weird things that you like to eat,
What can you think of?
it's usually like your hood snacks.
Oh, my hood snacks. What hood snacks?
When you used to like take hot Cheetos and hot sausage and,
and pickle eggs
and mix it together.
You didn't eat that?
No.
Oh.
Who takes longer to get ready?
Recently it's been me, but before it was you. Cause now I can't leave the house without my eyebrows on.
Yeah, I don't care, but
I do.
she do.
All these questions, I'm still gonna be on your eyebrows.
What is a weird habit of mine?
You bend your toe. She bends one of her toes like that when she's just standing there, or in her shoes, or she does it all day. It's weird. And I didn't even know you can. It's the index toe. If that's what you want to call it. It's not like the big toe that's easy to move. It's the other one.
Like, I didn't even notice that it was something weird that I did. I just always do it.
Yeah, I can't do that. This is crazy. This is so hard.
Your weird habit is that you like to chew on everything.
Oh, I'm chewing on something right now.
What is it?
The little plastic from your clothes. From the tag. I chew on that all the time. I found it on my jacket, so I took it off and chewed it. I'm gonna be a makeup artist. Yeah.
Okay, we're moving on.
We're moving on.
What is one thing that your sibling can do that you can't?
Physically?
Anything.
You can go out with your boyfriend whenever. Y'all still treat me like I'm a child. Let me see what you could do physically, like with your body. I don't think it's anything like weird stuff. What about for me?
I think Tammy's stronger than me.
Yeah, I am.
Like, I don't even try. Like, Tammy's around, I'm gonna just give it to her.
I don't think so.
I remember one time when she came home from school, and like she had one of these bottles. It was scrape dry. Like, you could tell she took a brush in there and scraped the sides. I felt so bad. I bought her another one.
Yeah, because y'all be leaving me for dead.
Do we argue?
Not real arguments. We have a real argument. It's once every blue moon.
But we get petty.
Yeah, we don't have like real arguments though. Like, I argue with Andrew every day. Cute. Okay. I don't really be knowing if I'm doing this right. I just do it. I don't know what it's even supposed to look like, but I guess I be doing a good job because my face be cute. Do you like my face today?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't even look at my eyeshadow.
Yes, I did.
Did you really open and look up?
Just
Am I
put
hurting
the
you?
sponge in my eyeball.
My bad. Stop. Stop. Open.
What palette did you use on your eye?
The Soft Glam Anastasia.
Girl, why you can't get like not use this palette?
Because I like it. It's cute. So I always use it. Every time you have it in here. You is cute, girl. I mudded your face, okay?
That's a good thing.
Yes. Learn my lingo. You looking like you dying, okay? And I'm not with it.
This is the first time you ever did somebody's makeup?
Yeah.
Is it
You're
easy?
my first. No.
It's not as easy as people think. Describe each other in 3 words.
I almost said the wrong thing. Quiet.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty.
Mm-hmm.
What's the third word I want to use? What's the third word I want to use? I'm trying to use the right word. I don't want to use just like any word. You're kind of smart. Just a little.
Let me do Tammy. I don't think it's like it will make sense for me as her older sister to not say that she's annoying, because she's annoying.
I'm not annoying.
She's a hustler. Tammy would do hair all day and then do hair the next day right after.
Gotta make that money.
And she's very smart. I think we all are.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
Mm-hmm. If I ain't say annoying, I'll say you kind of cute too. No look of Tammy's is complete without eyelashes, so
I don't take mine off. One thing I can do is put on some lashes. Stop blinking.
girl, I feel like I'm dying inside.
I almost called you the H word. Bro, stop blinking. Oh my god.
What do we have in common?
We're both kind of quiet
Yeah.
around other people.
Mm-hmm.
We're both short.
Yeah.
Really short. What else?
We don't really have too many friends. You might have more than me.
Yeah, I do. I know that for a fact. I don't know what else.
We dress different.
Yeah, I do like what you wear though, because I be trying to wear it.
Yeah, this is this typical sister wears your clothes type stuff.
Yeah, but then you don't really dress like I dress.
If I was skinny like you, I would.
I'm thick. You stop. I mudded this look, okay?
Wow, it was glued together.
It's okay. That's natural. Go, mama. Her lips is big, girl.
Okay, back to the questions. What was the last text message we sent to each other?
I don't know if I can say that out loud. You just told me, I think you told me I was savage.
Yeah.
That was it, right?
I said you a savage dog.
Yeah. I'm not gonna say what I said.
She's really a savage. Oh, my eye
Close
keeps
your
sticking
eyes.
together.
Oops. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Wait, that wasn't enough.
Tell me that's not even the one that I use on you.
Oh. Okay, close your eyes. That's payback.
That, Tell me, like you swinging it so close, like you gonna hit me.
Cause it gotta
face.
fit.
You don't gotta be so close.
I'm not gonna hit you. Something's missing. I don't know what it is, but it's okay. I did a great job.
Let me get a mirror so I can get an up close look.
Something's off on your face. I don't know what it is, but it's okay. Cause that was my first try.
It might be the eyebrow.
No, those are cute.
They are cute.
No, they off.
But they are off.
They're off.
Tim, you said no. They're cute.
They're off.
Maybe just a little closer. I think she did a good job.
Thanks.
You do a good job on your face, so I wasn't too.
No, but it's hard doing your face.
Yeah.
It's not like easy.
Doing other people's faces aren't.
Yeah,
easy.
where are your earrings?
Girl.
Like
This
a little
girl.
boy.
Timmy, cute. But she did a good job.
Thanks.
Here's my
Beautiful.
face.
Cute. Okay.
Thanks to the soft glam palette.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's my favorite.
Me too.
Cool.
Maybe I'll buy you the knockoff version.
No, I want the real version. You gotta stop doing me like that.
Do I got any more questions for you before I cut this video off? What's something that annoys you about the other one?
You're so mean to me. When I talk to her, she just ignores me
All the time?
all the time. Or I be like, she like, I don't know. She be trying to cut me off real quick.
Cause Tammy will like, I'll say, I don't know. So she'll ask a question in a different way and I'll be like, I still don't know. Why are you still asking the same
Because
question?
I know she knows the answer to the question and she keep telling me I don't know, so I change up the words.
The thing I don't like about Tammy, she annoys the dog out of me.
I don't do nothing to you.
She has zero chill. She knows she the baby and that means like she don't care. She just gonna keep on going.
Because I gotta get my way.
Let's see. What was the last thing we did together?
Watch TV.
Yeah.
We was just watching TV.
We like to watch things about crime
And solving
Yeah.
crimes and stuff.
solving crimes. Okay, complete this statement. My sibling is
Mean.
Tammy, that's so mean.
You're mean to me.
I was gonna say something nice about you. My sibling is a pain in the ass.
Okay, no, say what you were gonna say.
I don't know yet. I was gonna think about something.
Something nice? No, but you're mean to me. I say that all day. I don't know what else I'm supposed to say because you're mean.
So if I'm so mean to you, why are you always in my room?
Because I don't care. I mean, you're mean, but I'm gonna deal with it.
I think almost every little sister might say something like that.
Because you are mean, though.
But that wraps up my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm glad I got to introduce you guys to my sister. You will probably see more videos of me and her on this channel. Of course. But like until she go back
Until
to
I
school.
leave,
But
yeah.
as long as I have this channel, you'll probably see my sister every now and then.
Yeah.
Yeah, she is like my little best friend. We get on each other's nerves, but this is my little best friend.
Yeah.
Anywho, bye guys. See you next
Bye.
time. Oh, that's how you want me to say
Yes,
bye?
that's how you need to
She's
say
like,
it.
you're not saying bye right.
She's
Alright.
like, bye. Gotta be like, bye. And you gotta drag it.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Period.
Period. Period.
Alright, bye guys. See you next time.